Hey guys, this is Divij and today in this video I am going to do the unboxing of a much awaited product. This is the official MI Band 3 strap. It is sold on mi.com for 250 rupees plus 50 rupees delivery charge. That is equivalent to 300 rupees. So this is a good thing that we'll get the same quality of the strap like we used to get in this stock MI Band 3 black strap, which we get in the box. So let's see what is written on the box. The packing is really attractive. We can see the strap. I have got the electric orange color. The straps come in 3 colors: a dark red color, a dark blue color, and this electric orange. I think that this one is the best for me. I'll use it as my primary strap. So let's continue. We get the MI branding, innovation for everyone. Here it is written MI Band 3 strap, soft skin friendly material. And here are some key features: secure lock design, bold stylish color. At the back we get some information about the strap and the manufacturing month. So let's open this. We also get a user manual. So these are the things which we get in the box. The strap feels really good. It has a matte finish on it, just like the black one. We also get this foam kind of thing which maintains the shape of the strap. Let me take it out. Something is written here also. Let's continue. In the user manual it is written that how to install the fitness tracker inside this band or strap. That's a nice thing. We also get maintenance tips for the strap. So now let's come to it. I really love the color. It feels good in the hand and it is sturdy too. Unlike the bands we get on Amazon or Flipkart. So let me install the fitness tracker inside this strap and let's see how it looks. Let me take it out from this black strap. And now let's install it in the orange one. Okay, it's really tight. So I have installed the fitness tracker inside the strap and it is really good. It looks attractive and nice too. Let me wear it and show. It looks good on my wrist. So yes, kudos to Xiaomi for bringing these straps. So in the end, I just want to say that you guys can also try this product, as the black strap looks kind of boring now. So thank you for watching the video. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon and do comment. Thank you.